The Owen Sound Arena at the north end of the downtown business area will be 45 years old. Construction of a replacement, though, would be spurred on by the possibility of a food chain buying this property. The A&P just down the street's been frustrated in locating in a West Side mall. A second look suggests maybe they should stay downtown, and they'd expand on to include the arena site. Sometime in January, A&P is expected to say whether they still favor moving out of downtown or whether they want to stay and expand with a new store onto the arena site. With that choice would come a suggested price they'd pay for this old arena. In case the choice of A&P is right here, the city's getting ready to respond. While this arena was built 45 years ago and the front section added 11 years ago, it's hardly in a structural shape that would force its closing. There were new roof trusses added about 7 years ago. It's structurally sound, but the pipes under the ice have about reached the end of their lifespan. A replacement job would be needed soon in any case. If A&P has a satisfactory offer to purchase here, things could move very fast. Enter the new site. The Owen Sound Coliseum was built about 10 years ago with an ice-making capability for a second ice surface. Now, and for the next month or so, a more detailed scheme of building an adjoining arena on the east side of the Coliseum is being planned. The city should have a pretty good idea of costs and funding to measure against a possible purchase offer for the old arena from A&P. City Hall's looking at provincial grants for arena construction, possibilities of Ontario funding, and a third provincial scheme, enrichment funding, which would recognize the limitations of the present arena. Inside, the seating is cramped, hallways under the stands are cramped and gloomy, and there's that sure bet that pipes under the ice could give out at any time. Look for some decision in January or early February if the A&P wants to buy the downtown arena site, and they may want to move very fast, requiring new arena construction up beside the Coliseum as early as the summer of next year.